On the way to the Johnson City skate park, and then this happened.
You probably won't have to pay anything. You know why? Because they probably will not be able to produce the evidence.
So we got pulled over on the way here to the mountain bike pump track in Johnson City, Tennessee. But we made it, we're here. The pump track here in Johnson City, Tennessee. Check out the view. What you got to say about the mountain park bike, whatever it is?
Pretty awesome.
It's cool.
I'm pumped.
It's a pump track.
Just a rebel to the world with no place to go.
Yeah, dude. But living on the edge.
But the time has changed. Hoes playing with my mind, got my heart in the cage. The pussy is pushing in my veins. When I get out of the
Keep going, keep going. You got it. Overall, I give this place like a 9 out of 10 because it's like cold, and if it's summertime, 10 out of 10. In the morning, because just as soon as the bikes get here, it's crowded. If you're a skateboarder, you gotta get here in the morning.
Strong 7.5.
7.5?
7.5. Strong 7.5.
I give it a 9. I've never seen anything like it. So what was the deal? We got pulled over on the way to the pump track. Get to the pump track, get kicked out.
Ain't no skating.
Ain't no skating here. Go back to Franklin, that's what they said. So, we out.
Yeah. Oh yeah, get in on this side.
Get in. Till the cops come in and say that they're skating. Yeah, so we kick, push. There's no skating there.